In this video, we are going to learn about the articles. The articles. Now, when I say the articles, I'm not talking about what we read to get more information about things. Here's someone reading an online article about fish. He just learned that fish have a better memory than we previously thought. Those kinds of articles are great because they teach us about things, and learning is fun. But when I say the articles, I'm not talking about informational articles. I'm talking about the words known as the articles. The articles are 3 special words in the English language, words we use a ton. The articles are a, which is just the letter A all by itself, and the. A, and the. Let's look at a first. A is something called an indefinite article. An indefinite article. Indefinite means it's not specific or exact. I'll show you. It's pretty cool. Look at this sentence. May I please have a cookie? Notice I'm using a, an indefinite article. That's because I'm not asking for a specific cookie. They all pretty much look the same. I would like a cookie. Any of the cookies here. A is an indefinite article. Oh, look at this example. I hope I get to see a dog. I'm using a, an indefinite article, because I don't care what specific dog I'm going to see. I'm not talking about an exact type of dog. I'm just saying, I hope I get to see a dog in general. I might see this dog, or maybe this dog. It doesn't matter to me. I love dogs. I love to see any of them. I hope I get to see a dog. A is an indefinite article. I'm not talking about a specific dog. It's indefinite. Oh goodness, look at this dog. This dog needs a toothbrush. A is an indefinite article. There isn't a specific exact toothbrush this dog needs. This dog could benefit from any toothbrush, except maybe this one because it's a cartoon toothbrush. And Sparky needs a real toothbrush, okay? A real one. This dog needs a toothbrush. A is an indefinite article. It's letting us know there isn't a definite specific toothbrush the dog needs. The dog just needs a toothbrush. And to be honest, maybe this dog needs a friend. Any friend. This dog needs a friend. A is an indefinite article. All right, so A is an indefinite article. Can we say that together? Super soft. A is an indefinite article. Great. Now, how about saying it really loud? A is an indefinite article. Awesome, awesome. Indefinite means it's not specific. It's not definite. It can be any. A cookie, that could be any cookie. A dog, that could be any dog. A toothbrush, that could be any toothbrush. A is an indefinite article, and it's not the only one. What? Yeah. An is an indefinite article too. A and an are both indefinite articles. An works just like A, except it's used before vowels. I don't know if you've seen my consonants and vowels video, but basically vowels are 5 special letters, A, E, I, O, and U. If the first letter of the next word starts with a vowel, A, E, I, O, or U, you use the word an instead of A. Check this out. I would like to eat an apple. We use an because apple starts with a vowel. It's indefinite because I'm not asking for a specific apple. I could have any apple. I would like to eat an apple. An works just like a, except it's used before vowels. Here's another example. I would like to hold an egg. We use an because egg starts with E, a vowel. We know it has to be an indefinite article because I'm not asking for a specific exact egg. All of these eggs are pretty much the same. I would like to hold an egg. So an is the indefinite article we use before a vowel. Remember, the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Can we say that together? A, E, I, O, U. The vowels. A, E, I, O, U. An is the indefinite article we use before a vowel. An apple, that could be any apple. An egg, that could be any egg. An ice cream cone, that could be any ice cream cone. An orange, that could be any orange. An umbrella, that could be any umbrella. A and an are indefinite articles. Indefinite means not specific or exact. I would like to see a dog. I would like to see an octopus. In both cases, I'm willing to see any dog or any octopus. I'm not just wanting to see one specific dog or one specific octopus. Any would do. A and an are indefinite articles. Now, wait a moment. What if I am talking about a specific exact thing? Well, that's where the third article comes in, the article the. The is a definite article. Can we say that together? The is a definite article. Here, I'll show you how it works. Imagine if someone said, I ate the donut. You might think, wait, you ate the donut? You are talking about a specific exact donut. The is a definite article. If someone said, I ate a donut, that's different, right? That's indefinite, remember? So that could be any donut. Oh, cool, you ate a donut. But it's different if you use the, which is a definite article. I ate the donut. You're talking about a specific exact donut. You ate the donut. Maybe it's the last donut. The very last donut. You ate the donut. Or how about this? I lost the key. Uh-oh, you lost the key? You're talking about a specific exact key. You might think, oh, what key got lost? We have to find this key. The is a definite article. If you say, I lost a key, it doesn't sound as urgent. It sounds like some random key got lost. It could be any key because it's indefinite. But if you say, I lost the key, you're using the, which is a definite article. You're talking specifically about one key. If somebody says, oh, I lost the key, you gotta find it. We have to find the key. We have to find the key. Look at this sentence. Could you hold the door open? What is the article in this sentence? Yeah, the. The is a definite article. You are definitely talking about one specific door. Could you hold the door open? Which door? This door. The is a definite article. All right, so we've learned the articles. You've done such an amazing job. You learned that there are three articles, a, an, the. A and an are indefinite articles. I ate a banana. I ate an orange. That could have been any banana or any orange. But the is a definite article. I ate the banana. You're talking about one specific exact banana. Maybe it was the last banana. I ate the banana. A and the. Three special words known as the articles. Wait, the is an article. Wait, an is an article. Articles are all around us. We are surrounded by articles. These three special words. A, an, the. Hey, thanks for learning about the articles with me. I hope you had a really fun time. I know I did. If you haven't subscribed and you're enjoying the videos, feel free to click that subscribe button and click the notification bell if you'd like to be told about new uploads. I want to give a special thanks to my patrons for your support, and thanks to all of you for learning with me. It means a lot. You all are so awesome, and I will see you next video.